Oh, welcome to another SimplyDiag Community Hub video from bright and sunny Cheshire. It's 4th of December today. It's not bright, it's not sunny, but we're on the countdown to Christmas. Had an awesome visit yesterday from VARTA Batteries. Jeremy and Andy came down yesterday. We run through the new layout of the VARTA portal. Really good knowledge base on there. Loads of interesting articles. Even if you're not a mechanic, there's some basic stuff. Tells you what things on your car drain your battery, what to do if your battery fails, why we should fit a VARTA battery, a tier 1 battery. They brought us loads and loads of goodies down. December the 4th, VARTA Advent Calendar. Number 4. And they only came yesterday, so Nicola's going to have 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to open the number 4. See what's in it. Got to be in it to win it. Oh, it's chocolate. Oh, don't like chocolate. Gets in your mouth. I'm more of a soup specialist, me. Look at that little chocolate with a battery on it. How cool is that? So, anyway, if you want to get your hands on one of these, if you're in the Northwich area and you're an SDN member, pop down, grab yourself a Merry Christmas Advent Calendar. We've also got, look at them, little VARTA Christmas tubs, battery service. Inside this, I'll aim it to Nicola just in case it's one of them pop-out snakes. We've got some Beanie's wheels. Oh, look at that. Pork scratchings from the Shropshire Scratching Company. So, no good if you're a salad lover, but luckily for me, I'm not. We even got some Haribos in the bottom. So again,
all your favourite things.
Yeah. So if you're a SimplyDiag customer or a SimplyDiag member, pop yourself down next few days. Claim yourself for free. VARTA Batteries goodie bag Advent Calendar. We've got other stuff. We've got loads of other stuff. We'll go through that, but never mind. Look at this. We've got some new batteries. The new range of VARTA batteries. We've got the SLI, stands for Starter, Lights and Ignition. SLI, basic bog standard battery. The really cool thing about these, right, unlike your normal, your lower range batteries, inside the cap here, where the vents are, so that's the vent that gets rid of the flammable gas out of your battery. We've got flame arresters built into the vents, added safety product that are not on a lot of the competitors' batteries. Absolutely brilliant safety feature for a bog standard tier 1 battery. But what we don't want to do is drop it because it's really heavy. Catch, Nick! Yeah, so we've got some stuff like that. We've also got a proper battery with a cutaway. So you've heard of it, AGM battery or advanced glass mat. We can actually see the plates inside the battery. How it works, what it's made up of. How cool is that? Loads of stuff we can talk to and teach our younger members, the apprentices, stuff like that. Bit about battery technology. We've got other stuff, pens, cups, hoodies, t-shirts, polo shirts, all sorts of stuff. So, book your ride along, get yourself down to the hub before Christmas, grab yourself a few goodies. Thanks for watching, you're awesome.